Today's the day we make a move. We've been docked in central Queensland for the past 6 weeks, and last night we got the green light. That's usually how it goes around here. No countdown, no grand lead up. 1 minute you're settling in, and then the next you're provisioning for a 5-day trip up north. At this point, I'd say I'm a seasoned veteran at these last minute passages. It's a juggle, but the upside, the owner's really chill. No 5-course feast required, just good wholesome food and a smooth ride. Journaling has always been a part of my morning routine, and if you haven't given it a go, I highly recommend it. Just writing at least 3 things that you're grateful for. Also walking, that's always been a non-negotiable for me. It also boosts your mood, balances your hormones, and even improves your digestion for the whole day. Morning sunlight is also very crucial to regulate your circadian rhythm, meaning a better sleep at night and more natural energy during the day. For me, it's not just a habit, it's a reset. If I skip this part of my routine, my whole day feels off. So before the cooking, cleaning, and currents, I walk. Or Pilates, even if it's just for 10 minutes to remind my body that I'm here. Since we only found out we were going ahead with this trip the night before, I'm having to do the provisions this morning. So lucky it's just myself, Tim, the deckhand, and the owner, so I don't have to get too much. But it's always a little bit stressful when I have to do everything last minute, but I guess like what I said, I'm a seasoned veteran and I really do love my job.
You've been buying toys.
Oh, I love anything to do with filming and editing. So when I found out this thing came out, I had to get it.
I'm going to 1.7 tomorrow morning, so.
morning and welcome to Marble Island. This is our first destination of the trip, and one thing that this island is famous for is deer. So apparently it's world-class deer hunting territory. I had a look through the binos yesterday afternoon, and just on the hill behind me I spotted at least 5 of them grazing in the grass, and the owner and I, we actually thought we saw some water buffalo. They're currently exploring the land over there, so we'll see what they come back with while I prepare a masman curry for dinner. So yeah, let's go cook the curry. Let's go cook the curry! So the first thing that we're going to be doing is seasoning our beef. And by the way, I absolutely love this slow cooker. It is just an absolute game changer. It's the Breville 6-in-1. So yeah, give the beef a nice season. And some Celtic salt. I absolutely love this stuff. It is packed with a lot of minerals, low in sodium, hand harvested in France. Good sprinkle there, and just mix it through with your fingers. We're going to put a nice big teaspoon of my favourite cooking thing ever, it's ghee. I'll just show you the consistency of it. Like butter. Love this stuff. So right now I'm just searing the beef to lock in all those juicy flavours. So when we slow cook it, the beef just remains really tender. And today I'm cheating, I'm just using this masman curry paste. I've never made my own before, but if you have, please let me know, because I do get a little bit funny sometimes with the ingredients that are put in these pre-made curry mixes, but this one smells pretty good and the ingredients seem pretty decent as well. Alright, in go both of the masman curry jars. I'm just going to pour a little bit of beef stock into these jars to get the most of the paste out. Give it a little shake. coconut milk, so I'm going to use 2 cans. Are we heading off? Oh, okay. And that is how simple making this massaman curry is. I'm just going to put the lid back on and then cook it low and slow for 8 hours. Right, we have a special guest this morning, Captain Tim.
No, it's not a bloody
No, please, come over. Alright, what day is it and where are we right now?
I don't know what day it is.
Well, it is Saturday, but I don't know what day we are on charter. Is it day number 4?
3.
Okay, well, welcome to day 3, and where are we?
We are at Keswick Island. This is Keswick and St Bees. St Bees is just over here. We're in the channel between them. Just anchored up, enjoying it.
Are there any interesting facts about this island? Because yesterday when we were at Marble Island, I was just saying how it's world-class deer hunting. So is there anything that they should know?
I don't think anything as good as that. There used to be, I think, a resort here maybe. There's, I think, maybe like 13 people or 13 homes on the island. And then there is some people on St Bees, but there's like a little airstrip runway, boat ramp, a barge comes over pretty frequently. So, yeah.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful spot, and I will roll some drone footage for you to enjoy. Bye. this going to be a catch and cook?
He's fighting like a big.
Yay! Oh!
Do we need a gaff? No.
Yes!
I'll pull him in quick.
Do not drop him.